Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? I'm going to show you how to draw a cowboy hat. So let's start kind of in the middle, and we're going to go up almost vertically and then around the corner and just up a little bit an angle and then kind of curve down. And then we want to do a downward curve and then across, and then this is sort of parallel across there. And then bring that there almost vertically down. And then we're going to join these two together with a curve at the bottom. And then we'll do another curve just above it, like that's a kind of parallel curve. Can you have a parallel curve? And then here we'll have a kind of a buckle like that. And then let's put some little dots in there, and that'll be a kind of a pattern on the hat band. Now, if you take that distance from kind of the center of the hat, similar distance to about there, just put a little dot about there, and then we want to be coming kind of that height down to roundabout kind of there. See if this works. We're going to draw a curve around to there and then parallel with that line up here. So starting up about there, we want a kind of a nice curve that's coming around like that, and then that wants to come straight back up there and then around as if it's going to join up at the back there. And that gives us our cowboy hat shape. And then we might want to put another little kind of something in there. And we might have a hat string coming in underneath there like that. With a couple of bits there, maybe a little tassel on the end. And there you go, how to draw a cowboy hat real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back every week for lots more drawing videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.